In this question, you have to identify the compound or the hormone which is not released when there is a decrease in blood pressure or volume. Option A, atrial natriuretic factor. Now, ANF is released by the atria of the heart in response to increased blood pressure or volume and not when it is decreased, because it promotes vasodilation and excretion of sodium and water, thus reducing the blood volume and blood pressure. Hence, it is the correct option. Option B, aldosterone. It is incorrect because aldosterone is released in response to low blood pressure or volume through the RAS mechanism, that is renin angiotensin aldosterone system, because it increases sodium and water reabsorption in the kidneys, thus increasing the blood pressure. Option C, antidiuretic hormone. It is also incorrect because ADH is released by the posterior pituitary in response to decreased blood pressure or volume, as it promotes water uptake in the kidneys, thus increasing the blood pressure or blood volume. Option D, renin. It is also incorrect because renin, which is released by the juxtaglomerular cells of the nephron in the kidneys in response to decreased blood pressure or volume, as it activates the RAS pathway, leading to vasoconstriction and increased blood pressure.